What is Urban Pro Clean? Urban Pro Clean is a service application designed to help America get back to work and get our kids back to school by uniting customers and companies with local resources trained, licensed, bonded, and insured for deep cleaning and air fogging. There are two sides to Urban Pro Clean: the customer side, who needs cleaning, and the service agent side, who is ready to clean. Similar to those applications on your phone where you touch a map, verify your location, where you want to go, and then a qualified contract driver comes to give you a ride home, Urban Pro Clean is built on a very similar platform. Steve is starting to worry about making his rent this month. Steve has been on furlough from his job for over a month and is just now starting to look for a side job.
Dude, I've been making great money recently working for Urban Pro Clean. It's super simple work, it's rewarding, and is extremely low risk. The best part about Urban Pro Clean is that I can work my own hours, and it pays more than my previous minimum wage job.
Steve likes the sound of this because Steve likes to make money. Steve also has rent coming up. Steve downloads the application and decides to give it a try. Steve enters his information into the app. Steve is now going through the screening process. After 3 days, Steve finds out he's approved to work. Steve just needs to review and pass the safety checklist. Steve watches a safety video and a learning course, and now understands how he will protect himself. Now that Steve is a bona fide Urban Pro Clean employee, he can pick when and where he's available to work. Steve is wide open for at least the next 8 weeks. Steve also has a car and is willing to drive a maximum of 20 miles to do work.
This is Shelly. Shelly owns a gymnastics gym for children, Shining Star Gymnastics. Shining Star Gymnastics was shut down for almost 3 months because of the coronavirus pandemic. Shelly is about to reopen her gym and wants to ensure her gym is kept as hygienic as a hospital. Shelly wants to be a responsible business owner, and she also knows if there's a coronavirus breakout at the gym, it's likely going to mean the end of her business. Shelly remembers that she heard about an application called Urban Pro Clean from her neighbor who owns a karate studio. Her neighbor has used their services many times and can't say enough good things about Urban Pro Clean. Shelly installs the application and decides to check it out. The application asks her if she is the business owner of Shining Star Gymnastics. She checks yes, and the application asks her a few more questions about her property and guides her through what's available for cleaning and disinfection. Shelly signs up for the Supreme Clean package and enters the date August 16th and time that she would like a cleaning, 9 a.m. Shelly adds her credit card information and pays for the service.
Steve is available during that time slot and gets a notification he's booked for the service. Steve shows up to the place booking at the agreed upon time. Steve meets Shelly at 8:55, and Shelly gives Steve a box. He opens the box and finds full PPE, full bodysuit, mask, gloves, booties, and goggles. He also sees a smaller box called hospital-grade disinfectant. Steve spends the next 30 minutes disinfecting all surfaces of Shelly Gym. With the trash properly disposed of, Steve marks the booking as complete. Now, Steve's happy again. He's back to work, he's doing something that's rewarding. He knows how important this is to Shelly and his community, but most importantly, Steve's able to make rent this month.
Shelly is happy because she knows her gym is as clean as a hospital room. Shelly's now confident her business will flourish. And because Shelly signed up for an Urban Pro Clean perpetual cleaning plan, she can now promote that as part of her business.